Make sure to stand till the end. One simple mistake, guys, that most people will make will cause damages to your modules, electronics, computers, and that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW guys 5 Series generation F10 and F11 from year 2010 all the way to year 2018. If you need to remove and replace the airbag on the passenger side in the feet, also known as foot airbag or knee airbag, stay with us. We'll explain how to remove it safely, how to replace it. Now, if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, do not work on them because they can kill you guys. Consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video. And there one procedure always should be done when working on airbags, and we'll explain what it is. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stand till the end. If you're not qualified and certified, never work on airbags, they can kill you guys. Work on them only if you're qualified and certified. Consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video, only for entertaining purposes. And there should be one thing that you should always do when working on airbags. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Before we start, let me just tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We constantly take them apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you need to buy any parts, tools for your BMW or any car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So where is, guys, okay, the knee airbag, also known as foot airbag? We're talking about that one right here. You can see we will explain now how to remove it, how to replace it. But every time, guys, you work on airbags, or actually if you're disconnecting airbags, working close to them, it's recommended to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour, guys, before you start working. That way the airbag modules, computers will have time to discharge. At least 1 hour, disconnect the battery before working on them. Number 2, do not use any metal tools, okay, only plastic tools around them. Number 3, make sure you don't have static electricity. Number 4, on these new cars, it's very important which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. That way you can avoid damaging your electronics, modules, computers. How we know about that? We actually messed up the airbag module on Mercedes that way, and it cost us $2,000. So check out, there is a video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first. Well, once we do that, we can continue with the next step. So, what we're going to do now, guys, okay, we're going to place the camera, okay, perfect, just like that, everything's visible. So, now we're going to start with the Torx, okay, let me just focus so you can see it quick. This is the Torx 2, guys, we're going to use now, and that Torx 2 now, okay, let me just turn the light a little bit higher so you can see better too. Okay, perfect, that Torx 2, we're going to go, okay, first right here, and we're going to remove, okay, one screw. You can see where the screw is located. Okay, it's coming loose, and that screw actually went under the rubber there last time. Okay, perfect, that's the screw. Okay, right there. Now we have one more, exactly the same thing on this side. Okay, you can see where we're working now. And the second one. Okay, perfect. Now, in some cases, you may have that trim right here to be in the way as well. So, it's not a hard one to remove, by the way. You just get the screw right here and remove it as well. Pretty easy. Now, one second. Here, you will have, guys, 2 clips. Now, on the back, you have 3 clips that slide from the front to the back. So first you need to pop these clips open here. Okay, and now slide it to the front, and it came out. Let me show you now. These are the two clips on the front. These are the ones on the back. You can see how they are made to where they slide. So we're going to put that towards the back, so we have more room here. Perfect. Now we're going to get a Torx. What is that one now? Torx 30. Start looking big. We have two more screws that we need to remove now for the airbag. So let's go ahead, do that now. And these are bolts. They will have some thread locker on them too. Blue thread locker, so later. You may need to install some thread locker. So we're going to go ahead and remove that bolt. I will show you why we had to remove the trim piece, because the airbag later goes together with the bottom piece, otherwise it will not work. Now we're working right there on this side now. Okay, perfect, that's good like that. Okay, airbag will start dropping. Now we need to, guys, okay, show you what to do next. Grab it firmly, make sure car battery is disconnected, right? You gotta make sure the car battery is disconnected. Now this one will not come out. You need to actually pull it a little bit. It comes in an angle, but that piece right here, okay, you will need to slide it down. It has two clips, one here, one there, because later, okay, our airbag, the problem is the wire got loose, obviously here. Somebody didn't install the wire, that's why we had problems with it. Okay, that's the wire. So I'll show you how to disconnect it in a second, but when you install it, that airbag, these things here need to go in these clips here. So it goes like that, okay, you can see on top, and then you lock it in place in the clips, otherwise it will not align correctly. This is the wire here, guys. Okay, let me show you. This one got loose, somebody didn't install it. We had an airbag light for the new airbag, that's why we wanted to investigate here and fix our glove box at the same time. So let us show you exactly, we found out how to remove that connector now. Okay, let's hold the camera just like that. Okay, and that connector, guys, if you grab it on two places, okay, you grab that thing like that. Okay, check this thing out. That's how you guys disconnect it. You can see how it pulls up and down. When it's like that, okay, you can disconnect the airbag, otherwise it's impossible, guys. So you can see that's how we do it, not very complicated. When it's open like that, you install it, and when you're ready to close it, push the connector in and then push the cover in. So that's how you guys do it. So this is, guys, the airbag. Never store them face down like that. If you do, if it explodes for some reason, it will go up and that metal thing will kill you. If you store it that way, if it blows up, you can still get hurt, okay, but actually it will be the soft part of the airbag and it will not fly up in the air because it will fly down. And this way it will fly all the way up, and that can practically kill you in seconds, guys, in less than a second. So always store them out of the way, face down like that with the plastic up where the airbags comes out, and make sure you don't put it on any metal parts or anything like that, because that can actually deploy it as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.